Good morning, everybody. It's early in the morning and I'm getting ready for work. And today is a day I'm going to demonstrate another essence palette for you. So today we have Bronzed This Way, and I will show it to you. Oh, by the way, Colleen here with Colleen Beauty and Fashion. Welcome back if you're a subscriber, and welcome also if you're new. And if you like the content of this video and the content on my channel when you're poking around, please consider subscribing and joining us. We have a lot of fun here, and I have a lot of fun putting together these videos, and our community is growing. So if you like it, please subscribe. With that being said, let's get on with it. This is the palette, Bronzed This Way. I'm trying to do it without flashing the mirror at you. So I will do some swatches for you before I actually put them on my eyes. Okay, so here we go with the swatches. These are the mattes. So you're not going to be able to see it very well, but it's the soft pink one is called Right Track. And then this one here is called Love Yourself. And this darkest shade is called No Mistakes. And over on this arm I have the shimmers. Not sure if you can see them very well. Oh, they are shimmers, and they're quite pretty actually, but in this lighting they're not coming up very shimmery. But they are, this one is Perfect Babe, and this one is Superstar, and this one is Queen. I think I've got those right. It's too bad you can't see them shimmering. Well, maybe a little bit. They are quite pretty. So as always, I'm going to begin with my transition shade. And I'm going to go in with a pretty light hand today because I am going to work. So here's my transition shade brush. And I'm going to use this kind of color right here, this one. It's a little dark, but I think it'll be okay. And one of the things that we mention every time with these essence palettes that we love is that they have a mirror. They're very, very good quality for the price. You really can't beat it. So I love that they have this little mirror. And packaging, even though it's plastic, is very solid. So you see that's quite pigmented. So there's the first color on the eyes. Now I think because we have quite a colorful start, I'm going to go quite light in the corner of my eye with this lightest shade here. I'm going to take that in the inner third. Can you see? It's almost my skin color, so it might be quite hard to see, but it's in there. So now I'm going to go in with my last color, and I think I'm going, not last, I might put a little bit of shimmer in the middle, but I'm going to take this brown, but I want to do it just really subtly today. I'm not going to take it up too far because I already have quite a deep color on there. And I should mention I have my foundation and my blush and obviously my lips on, but I have not put my under eye concealer on because I want to wait in case there's any fallout. And I also use it to correct the edges of my eyeshadow here. So I always do my concealer last. So there we go. That's the brown shade on. Now what I will do with that concealer is take out these corners where I've gone out too far. This is too far for me. So I'll put the concealer and you'll see when I finish the look, and we'll take it to about there. but I think that looks quite pretty for now. I can't help myself. I love the shimmery shades, so I'm going to add one right in the very middle. And I'm going to go in with this shade right here. I think it's quite pretty. So let's do that with our finger. Here we go. Just a tiny bit of shimmer in the middle. So there was a little bit of fallout with this palette. You can see it mostly over here. I think is where it's the worst. So what I do now is I'm going to go away and I'm going to put my under eye concealer on and correct all this and put on some mascara and eyeliner and things like that. And I'll be back with the finished look. So here we go. Here's my finished look for today. And you can see the eyes. I quite like this one, I have to say. It is kind of like the Coralicious one, but a bit deeper in tone. The Coralicious one is definitely more orangey, more pinky orangey, and this one has deeper shades for sure. And if you've tried any of these Essence eyeshadow palettes, or if you have a particular favorite, let me know in the comments, and I'd love to hear about it. I've been really enjoying them, and I highly recommend them. But if you have an experience that you want to share with all of us, that would be great. As always, everything else that I have on my face, my blush, and my lipstick, and everything like that will be listed in the description box below. So I thought I would give you a little update. It's the middle of the afternoon now at work, and I just wanted to show you. This is what I love about the Essence eyeshadow palettes. They blend together so nicely as the day goes on. And they're really high quality. It's about 3 o'clock now, and I think they look great. So here's my little Bonnie who helps say goodbye at the end. If you're liking this video and the content on my channel, please like and subscribe. And I'd love to see you here in our community. I'm trying to build a worldwide community of fabulous, amazing, joyful women who love sharing the beauty that they have inside and out, and all the makeup and fashion and all the fun things that we can share together. So if that interests you, please subscribe. Love to have you in this community. I think Bonnie wants to say bye-bye now. You want to say bye-bye to the people? Bye-bye, people. Bye-bye, people. She knows she gets to go on a walk right now, so bye-bye now.